Too bad you don't have a chair.
Yeah, it sucks to suck. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name's Revvin Devin, and welcome back to a new video. It's been a while since I uploaded a video because I got me an Xbox. But yeah, I've been playing the Xbox for like a month and never decided to make a video at all. But then I decided, hell, why should I? Maybe I should record them for like a gameplay video, because why the fuck not? And so I was like, but before I like decide to make like videos again, maybe I should build myself like a decent fucking computer. And so I decided to use this hunk of shit over here. Let's see what this goodie has. Bunch of old shit. Am I right? I don't know what the fuck this thing is. But yeah, so we have our new base for our computer, and we have some cool shit with it. Let's check that out. So we got ourselves the Ryzen 5. Looked it up on the internet, says it was good, so I hope it's good. We got ourselves a 2 terabyte hard drive, because SSD is kind of expensive. And I got ourselves 16 gigabytes of RAM, a motherboard, and this power drive.
I think you're missing something.
Nah, I think I have everything all together.
Devin, you're fucking retarded.
So, without further ado, let's get started. Alright, let's start with our motherboard, I guess. So this here's our new processor. Yeah, it looks pretty nice. Yeah, it's way better than this hunk of shit, you know? You know, this hunk of shit. Fucking garbage, right? Alright, so before I fuck around anymore with the motherboard, I think we should open up our new CPU just to see what's up with it, you know? Cool, you got ourselves a new fan. Thank God I didn't have to worry about buying a new one. And then this here's our new CPU. You know, I'm actually fascinated by like these CPUs, like the little metal prongs, you know? Yeah. You know, it's like, see, like they have these little tiny little prongs over here. Like, it's kind of hard to cut them with, you know? But yeah, you know, these have like these little fine golden chipped down prongs over here to make the processor like really good, you know. So I think it's pretty good. Let's install this on the computer. Alrighty, so I got the CPU in, and I got this new cooling fan. Now, according to this guy over here, G Ricky, he said that it comes with a thermal pad, which I think we should put some more thermal paste on it. And you know, a lot of people like to put like a dot on the CPU, but to me, I think we should put like the Star of David on there.
Are you Jewish?
Let me check. No, I'm good. Alright, so now I got the cooler fan all in, so it's time for us to do the RAM. So the thing about RAM is that you have to be very gentle, otherwise your computer's fucked and you can't do shit on it. There we go. Alright, so I got the graphics card in. Wait a minute. I don't have one. Oh, wait a minute. I do have a graphics card.
It's just a piece of shit.
It's just been donated, so...
It's a piece of shit.
You like, shut the fuck up! You have been one of the most shittiest cameramen I ever had.
What do you mean?
Like, you will not shut the fuck up. Just joking. I love you. But anyways, I got the RAM in, so it's time for me to install this GPU, graphics card, where the fuck it's called. Okay, now we got the motherboard and all that shit all ready to go, getting into the case. When I went to the case, I found out it would not fit at all. I found this in the street, this one. Alright, so the computer case is all now cleaned up, and it's now time to put the motherboard into here. In order for this to fit, you have to fit in these standoffs, which are like these little fucking screws. Yeah, so pretty much you have to put these standoffs on it, if you can see it. And then you just screw it on to some holes, just to make sure that they fit. And now, you're ready to put the motherboard in. But now, it's time for the morning glory, the power supply. If you think it's the hard drive, well, you're dead wrong. Alright, we got this little bastard out, so let's put this bitch in. Now it's time to plug up some shit and pray God that this shit works. Hey bro.
Yes.
I'm gonna go take a piss. Can you just plug this shit for me?
Okay, I will do that. I'm almost done now.
Ah, good. Cause I got you something.
Oh, you got me seaweed? Hell yeah, dude.
Yeah, man.
I love seaweed. Fuck yeah.
Dude, let's snack that shit together, man. Alright, so that's all it for the PC build. There's a couple of things that I've done with it before I start after the video. One thing is that I made it run on a Manjaro for a little while. Cause you know, I just like to dick around with some Linux. But then eventually I changed back to Windows 10 because I got some games I really want to play, and I need my editing software. I hate to downgrade. So, and also I upgraded the old GPU that was donated and bought me a new one, which is the GTX 1050 Ti. Yeah, but pretty much the game runs by itself. It runs really good. Let me show you. Alright, let's play this fucking drifting game. Alright. So that's it for the PC build. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Try to make it like as cheap as possible, so you know. And eventually, I'll do some like upgrades and do some weird computer stuff on it. But right now, I'm just going to edit some nice videos because we'll be doing some more commentary videos, and hopefully a Conky Part 2. Ooh, you guys better be looking forward for that one. I'm Revvin Devin, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm out. Peace.